Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best preservative-free lubricant eye drops on the market, TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy. If you struggle with dry eyes like I do, you're in the right place. TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy is designed to provide immediate and long-lasting relief for dry eye symptoms. What sets it apart? It's preservative-free, which means it's gentle on sensitive eyes. These eye drops contain 5 vital electrolytes found in natural tears, helping to restore the balance that dry eyes often lack. This unique formulation ensures deep hydration and comfort, crucial for those who need reliable relief throughout the day. What makes TheraTears stand out is its commitment to quality and convenience. Each vial is single-use and preservative-free, packaged in a foil pouch to maintain freshness. Perfect for on-the-go use or daily relief at home. Using TheraTears is simple. Just snap open a vial, apply the drops, and experience instant comfort. Whether you're at work, traveling, or winding down at home, these drops are a game-changer for managing dry eyes effectively. Let's hear from users like you who've experienced the difference with TheraTears. In conclusion, TheraTears Dry Eye Therapy is my go-to recommendation for anyone dealing with dry eyes. Its preservative-free formula, combined with the convenience of single-use vials, makes it a standout choice in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, take care of those eyes.